Today we are going to see how to make mug cake. Take a mug, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour, pinch of salt.
Please subscribe my channel.
Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, pinch of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Now slowly add milk. We need 3 to 5 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it and look at the consistency. If you need more milk, you can add, depend upon the consistency. Chips are optional. Now microwave for 1 minute. That's it, we are done. Here you can see the texture of cake. It's perfect. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe my channel.